2026 is the year we are producing worst coder whatsoever in human history. 90% of the developers are busy with the AI tools, confused, have no idea at all. But this is the time for you to build something powerful from scratch, to build your foundation. So later you can utilize this AI model, AI infrastructure when you will get in the company. And trust me, right now a lot of developers have 0% understanding on the project which they are working. They are generating the boilerplate and they are thinking they have the complete understanding, but they have percent understanding about the code which is getting generated. So this project will help you a lot to build your real foundation. And the reason why I'm telling you, because if you look at the industry right now, which is absolutely booming, real world asset management. Recently, Dubai has implemented extensively this particular infrastructure. They are attaching on the blockchain to manage the assets. So it's going to be the next big thing. You can see that decentralized financial model is the biggest thing in the human history. So far, when we do the trade, the way we do the trade, which give more power to the buyer, it would be prominent available on the chain, so anybody can validate that particular property assets, who belongs and what is the worth. It can go up down with the differentiation price of the region economy. So it's really powerful and it's very transparent. So if you are not working on a digital assets management, if you're not working on a real world assets that getting played on the decentralized infrastructure, then you are missing a very huge potential. Because when you will start working on a DeFi protocol, when you will start working in the industry, this is the project which is going to be implemented. Because whatever happens in the West, whatever happened in the Middle East, in the dominant or in the development region, that's the same things come into our place as well. And if you really want to work on the global platform, global scale, then these projects are very important for you, which you have to implement. And we already have the complete project on our YouTube. So this is the complete project you can see right in front of me. If I come back here we have the complete playlist where we have learned that how we can manage the assets, the real world asset, which is the property on a decentralized ecosystem, how we can list that, how we can sell, how we can provide the authority, how we can set the pricing. That's all we can do it. So again, if you haven't followed this particular project, I would suggest you have missed a huge potential to understand that how you can build different product on the decentralized financial model. So this project is absolutely fine. You can see we have the huge playlist where we have built every single thing from scratch, including the contract, protocol, connection, and this project is all time relevant. And this is what is going to be the center of attraction in the coming future. So if I give you a quick demo, you will find that this is the project which I have launched on the Sofali blockchain, and you will find that I have already created this particular property. I have just given this one. Let me click on that and it will take me here and you will see the property which I have listed. You will find the owner, the description, all the models which you will find. So if I want to create a property, I can do that. I can come back here. I can call this create property, and from here I can be able to manage. So for example, you can launch your own marketplace for property, no matter which country you are in. You can simply launch for your specific country and provide the feature, because you know your country well. You know the government rules and regulations. So if I want to launch a property, I can simply click here and I can upload the property image. So I can come back here and I can go back to this one. I'm just giving you this random image, but you can upload your real property. So here, once I got this, I can simply click on this upload, and it's going to upload this particular property details to the IPFS model. So once I have the property, I can simply come back here and I can give the detail. I can pick the category. So it's for farmhouse, or I will go for the rental. You can give a brief description about the property. So let me just give me this one. I can simply come back here, give the description, and from here you can set the property and where the property locate. So I'll just give this one random data and I can simply set the property price. I can go with this 1 ETH, like 0.01 ETH. I can click on this preview and I can have the details about the preview of the property, and I can click on this create. Once I will create the property, it's going to call to my MetaMask and I will perform the transaction and it will be listed in the marketplace. So let's click on this confirm and you will find the transaction is happening. Once the transaction will complete, it's going to list the property in the exchange so user can buy. If I come back here, if I go back to my MetaMask, you can see the transaction is happening. So let me come back here, let me go this, and you can see the transaction is completed. The transaction is completed. We have list the property and it's here. If I want to update, I can update the property. For example, if I come back here and I want to switch my void address, so I'll go back to my account number main, and I guess I have enough fund. Yes, I have enough fund. Now I'll give a quick reload because I haven't changed my wallet, and just wait. Once it will reload, so this is where I am. I can come back to the home and you will find that here I'm in the home and I've listed for rental. So let's click on this rental, and this is the property we have in the rental. I can click on this and it will take me right up here. I can able to see all the details. I can see the types, comment, there is no comment, but if I want, I can add the comment and I can see the interested user. That's all I can find. If I want, I can simply make the purchase. I can click on this and it's going to buy the property for me. I'm going to pay the money and the money will go to that particular client and I will get the property on my name. And that particular address which you are using is the unique validator and the ID we have it. So you can come back here, click on this and you will find that we are buying the property. We are buying the property. Currently it's doing all the validation and once it will confirm, you will see we have paid the fund and we got our property which we own. So this is the property we own. So this project is absolutely must for all of you guys. You have to understand that how asset management work, how real asset management work in a decentralized ecosystem. Then you can able to target global market, global firm, where you can say that I have the understanding of this particular criteria, this particular project, which I can develop for you because I have already worked on a project and this is the infrastructure work. This is how the system work. I can simply contribute based on the model. You can include your own financial model. You can include your own government official paperwork right in this application and you can start selling based on the country which you are providing your service. You can go with the global market because that's what's happening in the Dubai, but you can go with a specific market if you really want to target that. So think in that way. This project is absolutely must, which you have to include. It's already available in the YouTube. Just simply start following straight away. All the resources are provided. Go through the code structure. Understand the logic we have implemented, that what feature we have included, how every single thing is coming, and then include that one in your portfolio. Because this project is really valuable for you to have the understanding about the decentralized infrastructure and how real world asset management will exactly work. It's absolutely must for you. So just let me know how many of you have built this particular project and how many of you going to build this particular project. Just let me know in the comment section. I really want to see that how many of you are really willing to learn something. So just let me know in the comment section.